welcome to an instructional guide to golfing, or throughout this course I will show you how to improve your golf game. Now, first things first, one of the most important aspects of golf is its balls. And by balls, I don't mean testicles.
Where'd that ball go?
It is important to choose the right club for the desired effect. There are putters for weak short hits. There are wedges or irons for middle kind of hits. And then there are woods for long, strong, hard hits. And there's some other ones, but I'm too lazy to do it. There is one more thing that I wanted to talk about, and this would be the most powerful hit in golf, where you combine all three into one super hit. So, it's only to be shown to your best friends, and perhaps people that you like. Whenever we're golfing, what happens sometimes is things might get in our way.
Case in point.
This flamingo is being Alright, here we go. So,
Action.
So what happens? So golf courses are found everywhere in nature, right? This is the natural place where no humans have been, except for mowing the lawn and each hole, and also all of the pesticides that are sprayed and the wildlife removed. This is nature. But no matter what, there's sometimes things that get in our way of hitting our golf ball. Now, we could just work around it, but that's not what we do in golf, and I don't want to choose or teach quitting. So we go through things. Let's see if I can still hit this ball anyway. Sometimes a flamingo is just here, and you just get rid of it. 3. Alright. Hi, welcome back. Another thing that needs to be decided is which box to tee from. Do we go from the short one, the middle one, or the far one? The answer is whatever's closest to us. So we choose the club that's our favorite, much like our favorite child. We remove the head, also like our favorite child, or chicken, or goose, or flamingo. Depends what we're eating that evening. And we go to the box. Now another thing, each time we tee off, we need to use a tee. Now there's only one way to really put a tee in the ground. That's to get it started and then smash it. That's a great spot to start it. Thank you for watching this video today. I know that it will improve your game, and someday, just like me, you might win yourself a trophy.
That's not even a golfing trophy.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Upward soccer. That's not.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It literally says Ford Parlor. I'm pretty sure there's a price tag on the bottom too.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it.
That's my name.
Your name's a QR code. Really?
Yeah, my name is Good. See? And my name is Will. Good Will. I'm Good P. Will. That's just a large.
This isn't.
It's a large.
That's a soccer ball.
Looks like a golf ball to me.
Do you kick golf balls?
Sometimes.
What is your problem, man?
I'm so proud of myself.
Oh boy.